All right, good day, guys. We are back in the Congo garden. That's right, yes, indeed. We're in the Congo garden doing some springtime herbal preparation. And here you're looking at some of the seedlings that I have growing in some cuttings. Specifically, these are lemon balm cuttings, aka Melissa officinalis, which is the scientific name. And lemon balm is a wonderful culinary and medicinal herb. This is the master plant here that I actually bought from the store. I do have seedlings growing, but they're not ready yet. So one of the ways to get more plants with these family of herbs we call the Lamiaceae, the mints, the verbenas, things of that nature, is through cuttings. And as you can see here, I have some prep cuttings. I've got some more here. And it just basically cut pieces from the mother plant, the stems properly. And I'm going to go ahead and use a little bit of plant rooting hormone that I have with these cups of soil, different blends, and we're going to get those into the hothouse, and we'll have lemon balm plants in addition to the master plant. So I'm also going to take this master plant, which was about, I think, $3, and transfer it into this larger pot here. And we'll do more cuttings, and we'll do more cuttings, and then these will go into bigger pots, as you can see, and the process will continue. And that's just one way of being able to propagate medicinal herbal plants. And of course, this is the wonderful lemon balm, which we're using as an example today, Melissa officinalis, a wonderful cooling, calming, antibacterial, wonderful scent. When you rub those hairs, there's linalool, terpenes, there's many other compounds and constituents, polyphenols, if you will. Just a wonderful, wonderful, magical, cooling, calming herb supporting central nervous and immune health as well. There you have it. Good day, guys.